Hello everyone, if you want to play Agefield High Rock the School and your game is stuck on the loading screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Agefield High stuck on loading screen easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Agefield, click Properties, install files, click Verify integrity of game files here, and while it's doing that you're going to click Browse on here to open up its games folder, or you're going to go to its location manually. Here it is, right click on the Agefield High exe, click Properties, Compatibility, click on Disable Full Screen Optimizations and click Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply, OK, and close this up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Start menu, you're going to write here Graphics Settings, you're going to click Add Desktop App here, and then go on to Agefield High's Games folder and add in the Agefield High exe into this list, and then you're going to find the exe in here. Go into GPU preference, set it to high performance then. Once you're done with that, now you're going to close it. And now you're going to open up your graphic cards control panel. So I'll show you AMD and NVIDIA. You're going to right click on your desktop, open up NVIDIA app, go into system, advanced then, turn on debug mode. What debug mode does is it resets any overclocks that you may have set on your graphics card. So overclocks can be unstable and hence crash your game. So just turn on debug mode. And now on to AMD, you're going to right click on your desktop, open up AMD Adrenal Edition, and then you're going to go into performance, tuning, and then you're going to set it to default so no undervolts or overclocks should be running on your graphics card. After you're done with that, now you're going to go ahead and try to play the game and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that stuck on loading screen problem anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.